Hello and welcome to this overview of the Discord mobile app and desktop app features. Discord is a popular communication app that allows you to connect with other people through voice, text, and video chat. It's available on both mobile and desktop platforms and offers a variety of features to enhance your experience. Mobile app features. Let's start by taking a look at the features available on the Discord mobile app. The mobile app is available on both iOS and Android, and offers the following features. Voice and video chat. The mobile app allows you to join voice and video chats with other users. You can create your own voice channel or join an existing one. Text chat. You can also send and receive text messages on the mobile app. You can join a server and send messages to other users in the server. Push notifications. The mobile app sends push notifications for new messages, mentions, and calls. You can customize these notifications in the app settings. Emojis and reactions. You can use emojis and reactions to express yourself in text channels. You can also create custom emojis and use them in your messages. Customizable profiles. You can customize your profile picture, username, and status on the mobile app. You can also add a bio and links to your social media profiles. Desktop app features. Now let's take a look at the features available on the Discord desktop app. The desktop app is available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and offers the following features. Screen sharing. The desktop app allows you to share your screen with other users. You can share your entire screen or just a specific window. Keyboard shortcuts. The desktop app has several keyboard shortcuts that allow you to quickly navigate through the app. You can customize these shortcuts in the app settings. Server management. You can manage your servers and channels on the desktop app. You can create new servers, edit channels, and manage permissions. Themes and plugins. The desktop app allows you to customize your experience with themes and plugins. You can install plugins to enhance your chat experience, and apply themes to change the look of the app. Server backup. The desktop app allows you to back up your server settings and data. You can restore your server to a previous state if necessary. So there you have it, an overview of the Discord mobile app and desktop app features. Whether you're using Discord on your mobile device or desktop computer, there are plenty of features available to enhance your communication and collaboration experience.